Let us see JEE Organic Chemistry Advanced type question. In the question is the circled one. In the options are circled. In the options are which is circled in the sense most basic atoms. In the first option, nitrogen is circled, which is more basic atom. In the second option, 3 nitrogen atoms given. Out of 3, 1 is circled. In the third, 3 amino groups given. Out of that, 1 amino group is circled as more basic. Let us take first molecule. We will take first option. We will take in the first option NH group with a 5-membered ring. 5-membered ring is having 2 pi bonds. Then 6-membered ring. 6-membered ring nitrogen is there and pi bonds given. Now we will see which are having basic nature. This nitrogen is having lone pair, so that it is a basic nitrogen, Lewis base. This nitrogen is having lone pair, therefore it is Lewis base. Now this is a tertiary nitrogen, tertiary amino group. Tertiary amino group. It is a secondary nitrogen, that means secondary amino group. Secondary amino group. So tertiary amino group is having more basic when compared to secondary amino group. Hence, this nitrogen is having more basic when compared to this nitrogen. Now let us take second option. In the second option, nitrogen, it is connected to phenyl ring. In this way, here one tertiary nitrogen, three nitrogens given. Now basic nature, let us see. It is having lone pair. It is Lewis base. It is tertiary amine. It is having lone pair, so it is Lewis base. It is tertiary amine. It is having lone pair, so it is Lewis base. It is tertiary amine. Next, this lone pair is in conjugation with the pi bond. This lone pair is in conjugation with pi bond. This lone pair is not having any conjugation. Hence, availability of lone pair density is high when compared to these two. Therefore, it is having more basic nature out of these 3 nitrogens. Out of these 3 nitrogens, this nitrogen is having more basic nature. Next, we will see third option. In the third option, the given molecule contains amino groups. Now we will take amino groups. We will take in the third option. Amino groups are given, that is having basic nature. One amino group, here keto group, here 6-membered ring, pi bond, here NH2 group, here NH2 group, and here CN group. Now we will see basic nitrogens. We will see. Now this nitrogen is having lone pair. It is primary amine. This nitrogen is having lone pair. It is primary amine. This nitrogen is having lone pair. It is primary amine. This lone pair is in conjugation with this double bond. This lone pair is in conjugation with this pi bond. This lone pair is not having any conjugation. So no conjugation. Conjugation is not there. Therefore, for this basic nature is high. So out of these 3 amino groups, this amino group is having higher basic nature because this lone pair is not in conjugation. So that it is having higher basic nature. So option for this question is answer for this question is all the options.